Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can turn a particular dataset into a table. Let's start. So this is a normal table. Here we can see month-wise revenue and expenses data of a business. So let's select the whole thing, then press Ctrl and T. After pressing Ctrl, don't leave your uh, finger from that button. Then press T. Okay, then this box will appear. Then click OK. You see this table is different than the previous table. Here we can see the filter option. Okay, here, if we click this, all the data points are available and we can select based on any particular data point. For example, if we unselect everything and if we select 5 6 7,000, we click OK, we will see only three data point. Based on expenses, three data points, we can see the entire data set. Now uh, we can clear filter from expense to make it just like the previous table. We can, if we want to see only May month's data, we can click on month. We can unselect everything. We can then click May, click OK. You will see only May month's revenue and expenses data. So this is how we can create an ordinary data set into a formal table. If we want to turn this table back to the previous, that is normal range, then we have to select the entire thing. We have to go to uh, let's see. Okay, we have to go to the table design. Okay, then here under tools section, you can see an option called convert to range. Click convert to range. They will say, do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Yes. So we can see this table has converted into a normal table. There is no filter here. Okay, if you if you want to uh, place filter here, you can select everything, then you can click this and you can filter, or you can unfilter. So this is how you can create a table from a data set, and you can untable whenever you think it is necessary. And you can also filter or unfilter any data. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.